How to mention everyone in a Telegram group. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to mention everyone in a Telegram group. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Telegram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, open the group conversation you want to mention everyone in at once. Once you have opened the group conversation, go ahead and tap on the message text box you see there at the bottom of your screen and now type in @everyone and further send the message by tapping on the send button, and with this every individual in the group will receive a personal message regarding you mentioning them in a group conversation, and this is how you can mention everyone in a Telegram group. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.